If you're trying to find a value within a range in Excel, so within a column for example, and you want to be able to return the first item that you find, then Xlookup is going to be a really good option for you. So let's see what it can do. So we're going to go to Formulas, Insert Function, change this to All, and then type in Xlookup. Click on Go, click on OK. Now your lookup value is going to be accounts payable in this circumstance. Your lookup array is going to be wherever that information is held, so column I in this case, and then what you want it to return is exactly that. So for me, I want it to return what's in column G. If not found, I want it to show blank, and I'm going to click on OK. So you can see here that that's returned 105.75, and if we look in the very top row, the very first item here is 105.75. Now if I repeat this process but for business bank account, it should return 500, like that, which is the second one down. And same again with accounts receivable, it should return minus 500, which is this one here. So as you can see, this is returning the very first item that it's finding within Xlookup. So there you go, follow for more.